Matthew is trying to have a user run an OS upgrade task sequence, but is blocked. They're getting insufficient permissions for software install. I know I set that somewhere, just can't seem to find out
Oh,
find out where.
I know what that is. We had a student this week running into that exact thing, and I know exactly why it happens, and I can show you why it happens. So let me bring my screen back in. It's so annoying. If I go to client settings here and just pick any client setting at the moment, when you configure the computer agent settings, you see that this one is fairly long to scroll by. If you use the scrolling wheel and accidentally hover over this one, it will change as you scroll. And if you pick this one to something not intended, then you get that message.
Oops.
The first time when I stumbled across this, I troubleshooted for a good while because the message is identical with the app locker policy message that you get when you don't have permissions. So I was troubleshooting app locker policies. We didn't have any. It's like, where did it come from? From here. So that was some fun part, because if I use the scrolling wheel here, it changes.
Would have never caught that.
No. So this is the one you want to configure. I usually do not see a reason for saying only admins can install stuff from Software Center, but there actually is an option to say that only admins can install from Admin Center together with this option here. So you can restrict it a little bit. If you don't want stuff to be available there, don't publish it.
Exactly. Well, timely that you ran across that this week.
Yeah, it's not the first time.
No.
Easy mistake to do when you're working through a guide and just don't realize that it was changing as you were scrolling by to do the rest of the configuration.
Right.